Good afternoon. My name is Suhaimi from PT Mayekawa Indonesia. You are at the exhibition Seafood and Meat Indonesian 2018. This system, the unit we call it Reabel, ammonia CO2 system. Ammonia we cool CO2 and we pump CO2 to the processing and to the warehouse. Yeah. For this unit, we already sold 2 units to the market, and we have the size, the bigger size, for the 45 kilowatt motor, 60 kilowatt motor. We already sold 11 units in Indonesia since 2014. The benefit for this equipment is very compact and then easy to install at site. And for the future equipment, we monitor when we're using this equipment. We can monitor online from Japan, from our main office. This the service, good service to our customer in Indonesia. Here, customer already know about they're using ammonia very much. They're using freon very much, but here don't have the specific rule from the government how they to handle the ammonia or other natural refrigerant. So we should educate them. This is what we can serve them to be the better business for them also.
Yes, and that's what you're doing here today.
Yes, we do it slowly to educate them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.